Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Vanessa on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my YouTube membership, where you can have more exclusive manifestation content and live streams and community posts and polls and quizzes, is linked down below. And my master manifestation workshop with programs, ebooks, boot camps, workshops to get everything that you want is also linked below. And today I'm feeling a little in a ranty mood. I'm about to go live, membership link below, and also pop up on TikTok live, so follow my TikTok. I also just made a TikTok video about this, and I was like, I want to just make the video. And this isn't even my usual look, but I don't want this idea to leave my mind. Who is in control of 3D? Who decides if a circumstance means something or doesn't? Who wakes up and says nothing is changing? Who wakes up and says, this is what my SP did, this is what they did, this is what they said? Who is deciding the permanency of their circumstances or not? You. It is all you. So if you are the decider of all labels, all meanings, all circumstances, why do you insist on separating your physical reality from yourself? Why do you insist on being the reason that you can't have something? Why do you insist on saying you can't have something? Why do you insist on, in general, separating yourself from your physical reality? If every day I'm the one who decides the meanings and I know what I tell myself creates, why do I keep acting like I'm not in control? Why do I keep playing this game? Why do I want to be a victim so bad? Why do I keep playing the game that outside of me is its own entity? That's like me looking at this reflection in the camera right now, me looking in front of my mirror and saying, I know that I'm doing all this stuff, but the reflection is not me. I know it mimics me exactly to a T, but it is not me. Why is my reflection doing it? Why did my reflection just pick up a tan? That sounds ridiculous, but that is exactly how you sound when you give 3D all this immense power that it does not have. 3D is you. And there is no doubt, no limit, no circumstance that can keep you from having what you want, because that is how great you are. And that is what it means to have a desire. No doubt, no limit, no past, no circumstances can take me away from having what I want. Because when you desire something, you are meant to have it. When I want something, I am meant to have it. So stop playing this game with your 3D where you're not the one in control, where things are just happening to you. And I always will tell people this. Anything you feel about your physical reality, I want you to go in front of the mirror and say it to yourself. If you feel like, oh my God, nothing's changing, look to yourself and say, you're not changing. If you feel like you're stagnant, look at yourself and say, you're stagnant. If you feel like you've been the same for a year, look to yourself and say, you've been the same for a year. Every single thing you feel about your physical reality is you. You're doing it. If it's stagnant, you are stagnant in your thoughts. It is that simple. You think a person who's having their reality change right in front of their eyes is thinking the same, like nothing's changing? No. So that's how you know manifestation works. People are always like, well, how did you know? How do you know? Because look at your life. Your mindset matches your reality. The problem is you are so obsessed with being in this victimhood where nothing is changing just because. Then why are you here? Then why do you subscribe to the channels? Why do you watch the videos? Why do you do the affirming? Why do you visualize? Why do you get the coaching? Why? If you did not think that you were in control, you would not be subscribed to this principle. You know you're in control, but you also want to have an escape where you can complain, you can rant, you can spiral, you can focus on 3D, you can doubt, you can waver, and somehow everything you want is supposed to come down. You can't even commit to yourself. You can't even discipline yourself. You can't even show up for yourself. You can't persist. You can't change your self-concept to where you know you're the operant power of your reality. You cannot commit to yourself, but yet you want SP to commit to you. You cannot commit to yourself, but yet you want money to be consistent and commit to you for life. You are not consistent. You want the money to be consistent. How does that make sense if they're reflecting you? And this is why I will never make it a journey about anything changing in 3D. And I know people are like, well, don't we want our desires in 3D? For sure. But if you know the only way to get there is to change, then focusing on 3D is counterproductive. Focusing on what's not changing is not going to produce change. So stop not changing. Let go of the illusion that is your physical reality and wake up and get out of the victim mindset that you tell these stories all day of an unfavorable 3D and then you're shocked that your 3D is the same. You are not a victim in a reality where you create. No creator is a victim to their creations. If you don't like it, then change yourself. Stop making it about changing 3D. And maybe that's where people are getting stuck, is because you separate yourself and you're like, well, I want this thing to change and I'm going to affirm and hope. Of course, you're going to hope something happens if you're viewing what you want to change as separate from you. Nothing is separate. Okay, guys, I have changed the weather. I have changed my weight. I have changed SPs. If you follow me on Twitter, y'all No, I'm literally just thinking of people and they come through. But I don't do that by sitting here and focusing that, well, it's raining and I want it to be sunny. Well, they're not reaching out and I want them to. Well, I have all this acne and it's not clearing up. How is any of that going to get me my desire? It's not. If it's what I say, then the focus isn't the physical thing. It's what I'm saying. It's what I'm focusing on. If my awareness creates, then the main focus needs to be my awareness and my creation. So stop giving 3D the say. That's why we say 3D is an illusion, because it is what I am saying, but it's not separate. And the only reason you're like, well, I've been saying it and it's not happening is because you believe it's separate. You believe that you could say a million times you have what you want and nothing would happen. Well, that's going to override what you say, because at the end of the day, if I say a million times something, but my true identity, my true belief, and my true reinforcement is nothing is changing, what do you think is going to happen? Nothing is going to change. So stop identifying with the 3D that you don't want. The only thing you should identify is you being the operant power, the victor of your reality, that there's nothing that can stop you from having this desire and what you want, because there truly is nothing. There is nothing that can stop you from having what you want. You are the most high. You are the operant power. Do you know what that means? It's what the hell I decide is what happens. This isn't you trying it. You don't have to try nothing. You can see the mean sister that you have, the emotionally unavailable mother that you have, the nonchalant boyfriend situationship that you have is a reflection of you having those stories. Do you think your mom's emotionally available? Do you think your sister's nice? Do you think your situationship is chalant? No. So why would they change? It starts from within. Stop giving outside power. Outside is a reflection of within. You guys want outside to change and then you're going to reflect it within. That's not how it works. Change within. Focus within. Screw all the 3D stuff. Change within. Change it now and it will change. And that is all I have to say to you guys today, okay? And I'm going to come out with something about the 3D being trash and trashing the 3D in the workshop, but obviously I have to hype you guys up with it in my videos. So if you're excited for that, make sure you stay posted. Subscribe to the email newsletter. It's really that simple, guys. I don't care what you have to do. You listen to the rampages. You can watch these videos. You can get the audios, whatever you want to do. As long as you get it in your mind that you run this. This is your town. You run this town. On Rihanna, you run this town. You run it. You run it. You run this town. This is your house. You're not going to let somebody come in your house and start taking your stuff and be like, okay, that's exactly what you do when you let 3D decide. Oh my God, a robber. Take what you want, boo. It's not like that couch didn't cost me 4 paychecks, but take what you want, boo. No, you're going to call the police because this is not right. If you don't like your circumstances, acknowledge that they're not right. Y'all don't like your circumstances, but you accept them. Oh no, SP's ignoring me, but I've been affirming. Keep doing it, SP. No. And this isn't, SP isn't conforming. Well, I'm going to affirm 100 more times. No. My reality is the same. Something in me has to change. And you know what's going to change right now? Is me saying nothing's changing, because it's all changing right now. Okay? Can you do that for me, guys? Thank you. That is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want. Like I said, if you like this, self-concept program, link below. Because some of you just need a full reset on your self-concept. I want you guys to come out a different person. Like, the point isn't to get the desire and still be the same person, because you're just going to push it back out. Commit to being a different person. If you want commitment, commit to yourself. If you want the abundance yourself. See beyond what your 3D shows. See that, oh my God, I live in this infinite quantum universe. Why do I keep selecting the one where I lose? You're not a loser. So step your cookies up. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing is too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.